Hi guys, welcome. Today we are going to discuss one of the most important interview questions, which is tell me about yourself. So let's begin. So guys, to make it easy for you, we have a three-step formula to answer this question. The first step is to talk about the summary of the most relevant experience and qualifications. Let us understand that the interviewer does not have the whole day to listen to your answers. Hence, it is important to focus only on what is important and relevant to the job that you're applying. If you are a fresher and have never worked before, don't worry. You can talk about any of your past projects, internships, or trainings which are either related to this role or even close related to it. If you're an experienced candidate who say has worked at 3 different companies before, you need to talk about only the most relevant experience to this job. Let us take a couple of examples to understand this in detail. If you're a fresher, you can say something like, I'm a management graduate and I've done my BBA in sales and marketing from XYZ Institute. Or if you're an experienced candidate, you can say something like, I'm a management graduate and I've done my BBA in sales and marketing and I've worked as a sales executive for 2 years in XYZ company. In this role, I was responsible for the sales of ABC product line for this particular territory. So guys, now let us talk about the second step of our formula, which is talking about your past achievements plus a way to prove it. Now this is the most important part of your answer. Why? This is because this is what is going to set you apart from rest of the candidates. If you say something like, I'm a very hardworking guy and I work 18 hours every day, trust me, nobody is going to be impressed. Why? This is because the recruiters are not interested in knowing the way you work. They are interested in knowing the results that you have produced. Remember, results are the only thing which is going to set you apart from other people. And that is what the interviewers want to know. However, to prove your results, you need to give some numbers which can justify your claim. Now let us come back to our previous example. You should never say something like, in my last company, I was very good at sales and was always appreciated by my colleagues. Why? This is because this statement is very general and does not highlight any specific result that you have produced. Instead, you can say something like, in my last company, I got 2 big clients which gave a total sales of $300,000 for the company. Because of this, I overachieved my first year target by 15% and my second year target by 20%. Now you can see the difference between this statement and the first statement. This statement is more specific and it talks about your results. Second, it shows some numbers to prove your results. And this is what the recruiter needs to hear. Now we come to the final step of the formula, where you need to tell the recruiter, how are you fit for this role? Here you need to talk about that you understand the roles and responsibilities of the job really well, that you either have the right experience or the right attitude to get this job, and you are really interested to get this job. Now let us look at our previous example and see how we can apply the third step of the formula here. You can say something like, I understand that you're looking for a dynamic salesperson as this role involves a lot of traveling. In my current job, I visit all my customers every week and have developed very good relationships with them. I believe that my strong communication skills and my ability to develop long-term relationships will help me succeed in this role. Great, now we have covered all the steps to answer the question, tell me about yourself. Let's now put together all of these steps and look at the final answer. Good morning, sir. My name is John Adams. I have done my BBA in sales and marketing and have worked for 2 years as a sales executive at XYZ company. In the last 2 years, I got 2 big clients for my company, which gave a total business of over $300,000. This helped me overachieve my sales targets by 15% in the first year and 20% in the second year. I also recently got recognized with the Salesman of the Year award by my company. I understand that you need a dynamic salesperson for this role as it involves a lot of traveling. Let me tell you, sir, that in my current job, I make it a point to visit all my customers every week and have developed very good relationships with them. I believe that my strong communication skills and my ability to develop long term relationships will help me succeed in this role. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Neha Sharma. I have completed my BBA from XYZ College with a specialization in marketing and communications. Last year, I got a chance to do an internship at an e-commerce company, ABC, for 2 months. This is where I developed a strong liking for social media marketing. I was lucky to work directly under the social media manager and got a chance to learn how to create effective marketing campaigns. This really excited me as I was able to use my creativity in my work. I worked on 4 different campaigns in 2 months, and one of them became very popular with over 200,000 likes and 100,000 shares on Facebook. I'm aware that you're looking for a social media executive who can engage and build trust with your customers. I'm a quick learner, and I strongly believe that my passion about social media marketing can bring excellent results in a very short period of time. Great, guys. Now you have seen the sample answers and have a good enough understanding on how to answer this question. Tell me about yourself properly. If you found the video useful, please hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. This motivates us to make more such useful videos for you. There are few mistakes that people make while answering this question. To avoid those mistakes, we have made a separate video, the link of which is in the description below. Click the link to watch that video now. Till then, stay safe and take care.